For this dog toy, all we need is some fleece. We're going to cut 4 lengths of fleece, 2 inches wide and about 46 inches long. And I'm going to cut 2 of this one and 2 of this one. You're going to need either scissors or a rotary cutter and a ruler. Okay, so now we have our 4 pieces that are 2 inches and 46 inches long. We're going to stack them on top of each other like this. Kind of loose like that. We're going to take and put a knot in the top of it. So just wrap it around your hand, put your hand like this. Wrap it around your hand, put it through the knot. Make sure you have all 4 pieces and pull it tight. That is the one end that we're going to start with. Make sure it's really tight because the dogs will be tugging on it. Okay, so now you have your knot. We're going to lay your pieces up, not like this. Okay, now you're going to take your bottom piece, you're going to go up like this. Okay, you're going to take your top piece and you're going to go down like this. Okay, that's your first step. Then you're going to take the outside piece, you're going to go over this piece and under this piece. Okay? You're looking like this now. And you're going to take this piece, right? You're going to go over this piece and through this piece. So now it looks like this. We're going to pull it tight, pull each side so it gets tight. And you'll end up having, you want to pull this really tight because this is going to be tugged. And you're going to end up with a little square that looks like this. Okay? Now, you're just going to continue doing that all the way down. I'll show you one more time here. So you're going to take your bottom piece, go up, your top piece, go down. You're going to go over one and under. You're going to go over one and under. You're going to pull tight. Okay, then you're going to lay it down. Okay, now as you can see, we are at the end, and as you can see, the orange is a lot bigger than this. This is because I used two different kind of fleece. This was not a stretchy one. It was a little bit not as thick. If you use the same fleece, you're going to end up with the same. And you could make this one longer if you wanted to, if you had the same fleece. But this time we'll stop here, which is really a good size here. So now that you're done, you're going to want to make sure all of these are really tight. You're going to have at least 5 inches to be able to tie it off. I'm going to go ahead and cut this right here. Okay. Now, okay, so when I tie the knot, I take this and I go all the way up here, because it'll slide down. Put it around there. Pull the ends through. Put all your 4 ends. Make sure you have a good hold of them. Pull it down to the end. Make sure you pull it really hard, because you want to make sure that your puppies don't pull it out. So now you have got yourself a cute little toy for your puppy. All you need is the puppy. Trim this just to make it look a little more uniform. Like I said, I like to make sure all of this is pulled really tight. Before I give it to the puppy, you see it's got some pull to it. And there you go. There is your dog toy. You can go different sizes. And if you have a little dog, you can go with 1-inch strips. These are just 1-inch strips. It's the same thing though. Go as long as you want it, or as short. So see how small that one is compared to these. You can go any size you want, depending on your pooch. And of course I have big pups, so we go for the big ones. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial.